Hey guys, Mavis and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and today I'm going to show you how I install my Crochet Faux Locs, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm going to use this ombre green Kali Mermaid Faux Locs, and I actually made them myself from scratch using synthetic braids, and I'm just going to install them. If you really like them, let me know. So I will start with freshly washed and pre-stretched hair, and then I will go ahead and part my hair into sections, small sections. I did not want it very chunky, I just wanted it medium, so that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and plait my hair into 3-strand twists. Then after that, I'm going to attach. I do not like just leaving my hair like that, so I add some synthetic braid to the ends of my hair because I really do not like it exposed when I usually do like these faux locks. So yeah. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting my faux locks onto my hair. So I just push the crochet needle under my hand, then pull the faux locks through. Then after that, I will just grab both my hair and the faux lock and pull it through the hole. Then the next thing that I will do, I'll go ahead and wrap my braided hair round the lock downwards. After that, I will proceed to take a rough piece of braiding hair. It's actually Afro kinky. I use it to wrap from the roots of the hair downwards to cover the hair that I wound round the faux lock. In that way, it protects my hair and also helps it grow and maintain length without cutting the ends of my hair or anything like that. So it's a pretty safe method for me, and I really do not like my locks very tight, so I ensure it's not so tight, just enough. Not so tight, but you don't need enough. Yeah. Then after that, I'll just continue doing that to the rest of my hair. Plait my hair into 3-strand twists, and then I crochet the locks onto my hair. Yeah, as you can see, pretty much. I hope you all will enjoy this. You'd like this. I know some people have seen this type of method being done by other people, by other content creators, and I really love this method as well too. So I hope you enjoy watching it. If you like it, please comment and let me know. If you want to try it, please try and then let me know as well. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So I'm gonna let you continue.
The feelings going through. It's always you. 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 It's always you.